What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Tuck Notes, beginner thoughts talk. And I want to say, because I have two people that really want this, and so, what up, Christian? And what up, Alexis? I'm watching you. Okay, back to serious mode. I was just pondering in my head the tweets I send out. Well, not the tweets I send out. The tweets that Elon Musk sends out, and then I send out to you guys through my Instagram at TuckerMLO. I don't know if you guys got any thoughts, but I mean, look, in my responses on my Instagram, we'll start at this first one so you guys can just see the photo. This was taken a day ago. What is it? It looks like it's turning around and spinning down like a toilet bowl. Except I don't know if I forgot what it's called, but there's the force that pulls the water down and it has to spin in a certain way. There's a name for it. I can't think of it right now. Someone's probably saying, oh, I know what it is. And then I showed you guys this one, I think, of this one. This was the video of them like floating around in space. And I was like, you guys, there's something, like there's a message in this. But it was hard to find. Then there was another photo where this one, oh shoot. There's a Harrison Ford one, which I don't really get. But there's these two photos up here. And in this photo, if you tap on it and you zoom in, there's a red and there's a green. And it looks like it's a pendulum on a swing. But it's off. Remember, if you guys watched one of my YouTube videos, oh, I haven't posted it yet. It's about understanding more about, or maybe I have, I can't remember, but it's about the understanding like what you're about to see on the screen, and then knowing, oh, I'm not gonna fall for that because it's gonna go down. And I showed in the video specific things to look for before everything goes to, poop or whatever. I can't say bad words on this channel. But this one, when I looked at this photo, I zoomed in and I found some things. And those of you that have already found it, congratulations. But this is for people that are like me, who struggle to find out what are some things, what's going on. So right here, that's a 14. Okay. And then over on this side, there's an 11. Oh, here's an 8 up at the top right here. And then I don't know. You guys got to look at it. But what I also want to tell you, though, is this is sign language. The four of them, I believe. No. It ends where Jeremy is. Or, I forgot his name. Jared is. And the numbers he's holding up, I remember this from learning the numbers. And if you're still watching this, you're going to get a kick out of this. But when you count like this. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I did it. I did it with, you guys couldn't see it the way I did it, but the last 3 letters are 6 and 9. Elon, you pervert. Anyways, good luck and good hunting. I hope you found this video helpful, and I kept it short, so pay attention to the stuff I'm showing you guys. He's giving you a roadmap. So us a roadmap. He's giving us a roadmap. All right. Peace out. You can follow me on YouTube, at Tuck Notes. All right. Have a good night. Bye.